Let's now do an unboxing of the iZYREC Smart Mini Recorder. And I'm really excited to have a look at this today. And there's a bit more about the details about what it does and a bit more about the technical details on the back. First time I've opened this up now, so let's open up the box and see what comes in it. Now the great thing is you can use this with the app as well, which I'm not showing in this video, but the app allows you to find your playback, manage your audio files, do it all just there. But let's go back to this. So there's the audio recorder just there. Now see how small it is? There's the size of my hand, and look how small it is compared to it. So I take it out, and it really is tiny. So you could sit that on a desk, in your pocket, and people won't see where it is. It only weighs, basically just a few 18 grams. It's tiny. It comes in two colors as well. You got the black, and also I think it comes in white as well. And there's also the USB-C charging cable as well. And a bit more about, so just having a bit of trouble opening this up at the moment. And you've also got the magnetic clip as well. So magnetic clip allows you to sit onto your shirt or jumper, and you can actually have it sitting there as you're talking to people too, which is really good. So let's go back and have a look at the actual recorder itself. Now, the recorder itself does 30 hours of continuous recording. That's for a 64 gigabyte model, which I've got here, which is great. There's how you charge it there with the USB-C charging. And you've got the microphones on either end as well. So you've got two microphones on each end, and it's one switch recording. So basically you switch it on and it starts recording straight away, which is really good. As you can see, there it is. Look at the size of it compared to my fingers. It's absolutely tiny. And yeah, so you can use, it comes in very, very light. Now it can do voice activated recording. It's got noise cancellation as well. So it can record, take out the noise around you. So it can really focus just on the noise of what people are talking that's in front of you. So a great little mini voice recorder.